Hi guys, welcome back. This is Thursday, May 9th. You are going to need your textbooks for this. We are working on page 183, lesson 4, finding a fraction of a set. So what that means is if we have a fraction, okay, and they want you to break up your fraction and put these stars into so many different groups. They want to know how many groups um, or sorry, they want to know how many stars will be in 3 groups or 7 groups. So what we're going to do today is I just want you to read the top of page 183. It says here is one way to arrange 12 counters to make equal groups. How many other ways can you find? So how could you split up those 12 counters? Well, you could put them in the groups of 4. You could put them in the groups of 3. You could even put them into groups of 2. Okay? So if I have, let's see, 12 counters, okay? I can put them into, oops, a lot of different groups. I could put them into 2 groups, okay? I could put them into 6 groups. I could put them into 3 groups, and I could put them into 4 groups. Well, what I just did, I just listed the factors of 12. What numbers can possibly multiply to give me 12? I know that 1 times 12 is 12. I know 2 times 6 is 12, and I know 3 times 4 is 12. So really, there's 6 different ways I can set up my counters and put them in the different groups and then see how many's in each group. Okay, let's scoot back here to our stars for a second. Now, what, what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange our stars and I'm going to put them into 6 groups. I'll put a certain number in each group. Oh, I don't have enough. There we go. Okay, so you can see what I just did. I put them into 6 groups. So this is a group, this is a group, and so on. You know, they're all 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups. Well, how many would be in one group of 6? Okay, so how many stars would be in one group? 2. Okay, how many would be in 5 groups? So 5, 6 of 12. So simply all you can do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can put a big circle around the whole thing and just count your stars. So how many stars would there be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your answer would be 10. Okay, let's move on to the next page. And I got some baseballs here for this one. Okay, I got 16 baseballs on the sheet. So I'd love to try and put these in equal groups because they need to be in equal groups to work with fractions. Okay, remember if you have um, 3 groups of apples, one group has 9 apples, one group has 3 apples, and another group has 3 apples. Do you have an equal fraction? No, because not all the numbers on the bottom are the same. The denominators are not the same. So I'm going to put these baseballs into 4 groups. Okay, I'll make a fraction over 4. I'll just keep going. I'll just rearrange. And baseballs to go into 4 equal groups. Are they equal groups? Are they the same amount in each group? Yes. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? What I'd like you to try and figure out is how many are in 3 groups. Okay? So how many baseballs would there be in 3 groups here? So count it up on the screen if you need to. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 groups, 3 quarters of 12 is, or sorry, 3 quarters of 16 are 12. Now, a little bit of homework for you. What I'd like for you to do right now, flip to page 184. Okay? And I'd like for you to try and work on number 1, A, B, and C, 2, and 3. Now, the instructions say use counters in questions 1 to 3. Find the fraction of each set. If I were you, the easiest thing to use as counters, you can use cereal. You have Cheerios or something like that. You can use candy. You can use whatever you'd like. Just don't use something that's really messy. So I would say probably cereal might be the best thing. Then you can eat it after. So try numbers 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to work on some other ones in class tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great night.